G'day, I'm Craig, and this is my camping channel. Today I'm going to talk about the Wireless Nation wireless modem and install it in my campervan. Right, so I received this from Wireless Nation. It's a complete kit running on 240 or 12 volt electricity to provide wireless internet. I'm just going to unbox it. I also bought this from Repco. I only have one socket left, and we have to share it to provide 12 volt power for the Wireless Nation. So it's a pretty simple device. Basically plug it into the 12 volt socket and then you get 3. It comes with a fuse and it's running surge protection circuit breaker on a 1 meter lead up to 10 amps. So that should be quite good. So always good to have something fused, and you can fix it down. So I ordered this from Wireless Nation so I can have internet in the camper. And it's a broadband modem. So basically this works anywhere you can get phone reception, you can use this device. If you can't see any signal on your cell phone, then this may not work. I chose Wireless Nation because New Zealand Motor Caravan Association provide a discount, and they also receive a commission from the sales, so it supports the caravan club and also helps me. Okay, so we've got instructions, the wireless router itself, the 12 volt power adapter, which will plug into the base here, and then this will plug into this 3-way socket. Also has a 240 volt power adapter. So the thing with Wireless Nation they offer is you can share your internet between home and the campervan. So if you're in your house, you plug in the 240 volt and you use the same account, and when you go away you plug in the 12 volt adapter and take your modem with you. So a lot of companies offer wireless routers, but they don't allow you to roam. So when you're roaming, you go away from your physical location of your home, they get quite upset and cut your account off. This account allows you to roam throughout New Zealand. So you get a couple more cables. This looks like a phone cable and a cat cable to plug directly into the back to a laptop or other device. But I will be using Wi-Fi. Unpacked the modem and I'm about to do the installation. Just a couple of quick notes. The Wireless Nation team have already installed so I don't have to do that, it's already plugged in. Also on the bottom where I had my finger was the wireless password and the name of the wireless network. So in effect all you have to do really is unwrap and power up. So I'm going to install into the camper the 3-point plug to extend my 12 volt jack points, and then plug in the 12 volt power adapter for the Wireless Nation modem. So let's get on to that. Okay, the modem is now in. I just used the double-sided tape that Wireless Nation provided. I'm going to plug it in. You can see the green lights are coming up. Basically low signals, medium signal, high signal, power, status, LAN, Wi-Fi and mode. So I've been using it now for a week and it's been working without a hitch. Installation, except for screwing in these items, was really easy, and I'm getting a fast signal. So yeah, really happy with this, and I'll see how it goes as we travel around the country. Yeah, thank you for joining me. Bye for now.